This is project number 2. It is a winterized right now rose bush that is treacherous whenever we have to get on the other side to move things around. So we figured as long as we had this excavator, we would try and knock this stuff out. Eventually, I don't know if you can see the wire, but there's a T-post and then there's a corner post between 1 and 2, which is on the other side. This tree line, this fence line can go back another 500 feet. And so our plan and efforts have been to clean out the other side, which is what he's doing now, so we can all move it back this way and expand out the size of the fields for more shelter for the herd and goodness, shelter for the herd and for more grass. This is going to be the before part. When we finished the first project, we already had 2 hours on the excavator. We paid for 8 hours, so we want to get as much usage out of the machine for our dollar as we can. We have a lot of dead trees that are right out there that need to be cleaned out. And if we took these 2 trees out, it would give some more space. And as you can see, Mother Nature has helped us in some respect, and so now it's a cleanup job. One day at a time. This is so much nicer instead of having that dang rose bush. It is a mean rose bush. When it gets you, it rips your skin. And of course, as you get older, your skin gets thinner. But even kids, when they've been out here, grandkids been out here, it's just a mean rose bush. So Jerry did a good job in breaking it up here along the fence line, and we'll put the wires back up when he's done with a hole that he's digging. But yeah, hopefully all this, we can get back out here and get it cleaned out with the grappler into a nice new burn pile. So I need a hairband really bad. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get up to Joann's and get some of their stretchy material and make my own. I need a couple of them. I don't like my hair flying around my face, getting in. That's why I pull it back all the time. But then I don't like wearing it pulled back all the time, so 50-50. Anyway, just a little ramble. This is project number 2. We're cleaning up our boneyard. We're between our current fence line and the fence line that is the property line. We have this little stretch land that gets used. is our, I guess you would call it an open pit. Gosh forbid that I lose anything else, but if I do, then we've got an area we don't have to, leave it out or wait for a good day to bury it, because that's what we like to do. We like to bury them, give them a little thank you, and move on from there. But this is our pit. So on to project number 3. Okay, project 3 is to see if this little excavator can knock over some of these trees that are in here. This particular area has been earmarked for quite a while to be our orchard, and we've kind of got 2 markers across the fence line in the front, way out there, and then it comes back a certain number of feet, and I don't know if we have markers for that, but we're going to try and see if this little machine can do those trees or not, because our fruit trees in the front of our house have been in tubs for 2 years. This would be the start of 3 years, and they really need to get out here. There's one. We'll have to come back out at a later date. And as you can see, a lot of these, and I'm not sure if I'm going to say this right or not, there's 2 types of thorn trees out here. One is a hackberry and one is an Osage palm. So those are always going to be coming out. But we'll have to come back out and with our chainsaws and cut this wood up. This is good firewood. That one kind of just kept going down in the ground. for that kind of a base, but look at that. I think machine one, but look at those roots. That's what he was dealing with. Holy Toledo. It's like the little choo-choo train that says, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I can't tell you if these trees are dead until spring comes. There is a lot of them. A lot of them that are. Don't think this one was dead yet. Those are some pretty hefty roots. But that one might be on the ground, might be, when he's pushing out. Because it's wintertime, and it's ugly, and it's gray, and it's brown. Okay, I guess he's going to move a few of those out of his way, and this is going to be our new burn pile right here, which is okay because there's a lot of trees that can be, trimmed back and add to that pile. And clean up this fence line on this side. The other side's okay, it's just the wires. You can see, I think you can see, I have seen, there's posts still from the old fence line that we need to clean up. And these bushes in the front are those, is that ugly rose bush. I don't think, I may be wrong, but at this moment I don't think we're going to push any more over. We're just kind of cleaning up the three that we knocked down, plus a couple others that were already here, and adding them to the new burn pile out here. See what I mean by the stickers? I got stamp. Is going to come out a little bit hard on this excavator, but it's doing the trick. Like I said before, the little train that says, I think I can, I think I can. changing the direction of the one he's been working on right here. We got a bonus by getting this from the path. So now we're at 6 trees out of our orchard area.
Getting muddy out here.
Yes, it's getting muddy. May have to go to a different area. This area in spring, summer, and fall is all green and shady, and it's part of our field too, which we'll find the herd when they're in this field, out in this part, in the shade. I didn't know if you knew that. Five and 6 are going on the pile. This one here is number 5. And with it came number 6 that he's going to pull over to this burn pile. He's trying to, kind of make a decent pile, line it up. You'd probably say that tree was not a dead tree. All the roots that it's got and how hard it was to get out. But I would say that number 6, which is still laying over there, which actually got pulled out when he was working on number 5, as you saw, I would say number 6 is a dead tree.
Look at this tree.
Sorry I'm moving all around. Standing here in the shade. I really got to get me a summer visor. I think there's some camouflage white rims in the house. I need to look for those. So it would be very nice to have that right now.
That's pretty heavy.
So I'll get dried out. We'll have the cows out here. We're going to move them into 3 in the week, I'm sure. And then from 3 they can come over into 2 through the back door maybe. And then they'll chop stuff down. But I'm just trying to break this ash Actually, sorry, he's trying to get it lined up better in the pile.
Look at that tree.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
See y'all next time. Have a great day.